Good morning, kids. It's another day. We're at it. 67 degrees yesterday, 47 this morning. Look at the waste, the net profit. Who do you think's guilty of that? We'll find out. Today we are in Warwick. I love when we are in Warwick. Have you ever been to Warwick? It's a beautiful little town. Ton of restaurants. That's why I'm fat. I knew it wasn't my fault. Too many restaurants. That'll do it every time. Underground tank removal. We've seen them. Above ground tank installation. We do them. Got a bunch of tanks inside. This is all right in our wheelhouse. This is going to be a successful day. Have not had a lot of leakers. Don't want to jinx anybody, but we haven't. We need them to survive. Maybe we'll get one today. If we do, we will shine, because that's what we do. We're the lowest prices in the industry. Family owned. The dynamics get better and better as we go. Appreciate everybody watching. We have Craig, who is on site already. He's always the first in. The boys are right behind me. We're going to do the same stuff we always do. I'm going to bring you along. It's going to be a great day. Sit tight. In the winter months, none of these facilities, these quarries, run topsoil. Tank Masters does. We've got 425 tons here secured for the winter, so everybody gets nice black topsoil throughout the entire winter. It's another reason why we're the masters. Okay, folks, we have reached our destination. Ugh. If somebody calls me up and they want soil samples, I do everything I can to try to talk them out of it and talk them into the tank removal. The reason being is I can take soil samples around the four corners, 12 inches below the base of the tank, have them all come back clean, pull the tank, and still have an environmental impact. So pull the tank. It's a little misleading sometimes. Well, I could not convince this customer to remove the tank, so we did soil samples about 9 months ago. So here we are now, hired to do the tank removal. Back here? Yeah. All right. So that well, I just wanted to check. Craig said it goes right back through here. Okay, so we're gonna start to dig. Fingers crossed. I only have the owner, who's a great guy, standing right there watching us. That went fairly easy. No contamination down on the side, no water in the tank. Everything's looking good. You see the return and suction lines in the top there. I think we'll be okay. Okay, boys are in here. What do we got, Craig? Any concerns?
Long, weird copper run.
Oh, we do have quite a long copper run.
But he has a tiger loop in there.
Yep. Oh, he does at the burner?
Already, yeah.
Oh, that's good. So we're gonna have to tack it up over.
Away season, this is hardening.
Definitely a long run. Bring it up over. We're gonna go in through here. And we're gonna run along the rest of the, where the pipes are. Down across that. Which is the burner room right here. There you go. And then we'll come down and go in. Look at that. It looks like they... No way, really? Yeah. They had the copper lines run all around the outside of the house underground. And he's got a tire loop already installed, so that's good. So we'll just bring it in through there, come down around the back, and then tie in. Would have been a perfect spot right there, but he's finishing this whole basement. This property is going to look very nice once he's done. Alright, Mikey's jumping in. We hook up the recovery hoist line for him. He's got a harness on, and he's going to begin to clean the tank. A lot of sludge. What do you say? 4 buckets? Yeah, 4. And Craig is beginning to drill over here. So we'll go get a shovel and we're going to open this up for him as soon as we get an idea where it's coming.
That was part of, they had to pull it.
Okay, Mikey has completed the cleaning. He said it's good. Of course it's good. I did the sampling. I had no worries. A little bit. All right, we'll pull this bad boy out. Okay, we've got ourselves a solid tank. No environmental impact. But do me a favor, don't do sampling. Remove the tank if you can. And the void looks good. Okay, we will focus our energy on the boys doing the install.
Wait a minute.
No environmental impact, Craig.
Nice job.
I was a little worried.
Don't hit it with the sledge.
Hit what? Oh yeah.
What's going off this copper, Mike?
Craig,
No.
have you ever screwed up the hole and had to drill a new one?
Oh, yeah.
You have?
Well, drill a new one? No, you just kind of like...
Open one
her up.
side of it,
Open her
yeah.
up a
But
little
never completely screwed up and had to drill a new one.
Oh, my first job ever I did.
Yeah, why? Well, how about if you hit a rebar or you just cut the rebar?
First job I ever did, I did it out of the top block. I don't know what I was doing. I blew the whole block out. Yep.
So we lost a little stability on the...
You know, that was 2005. So,
okay.
the house is still up. I don't know what that... And as I was completed, I finally was excited. I got the job done. I put the oil in the vent pipe. And went...
Wow. All right.
But
you got that out of your system.
I wasn't trained. I was just like, hey, bud, good luck.
Well, that's true. I did just throw him out there with the 331.
And it was the other guy with me's first day ever.
Nice.
Hey, thanks. Abandonment install.
Again, that's just
in Kingston.
Straight up child abuse.
Kingston.
Yep. At least it's not burned into your brain as a bad memory,
exactly
huh?
where it is.
And you did not.
Is the house still standing? Big oil fire years ago.
Yeah.
All right, so we just ran that line. Give ourselves enough room in here. Oh yeah, it's gonna come back around. So we can't make that bend
One day.
up here, so we'll just put a 45 union right about here. But we'll put the flare in right now, and then we'll pull it through. And then we'll start from here. And go over, across, down and in.
Yeah.
All right, Mikey.
I know. We're a couple bounces away from being 6
Couple
and
plays
4.
away. You see that? Funny. I'll tell you after. Ow. That hurt. Gotta pull the right side back, left side in.
All right, so Craig has made that flare. Now we just quickly ran the copper through. We'll tack that all in nice, get it aligned.
Go ahead, you get it now.
And go in.
Really get it out.
Craig has got his new flaring tool he loves. It's going to eliminate that carpal tunnel that you probably got 8 years ago. Yeah. Therefore, it won't eliminate it. And that's it, folks.
Thumbs up.
It's as easy as that. And it kicks out a perfect flare every single time. No more human error. Well, on a flare.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yep.
We'll start fastening these, make it look pretty. As pretty as orange copper can look. So we've got those through. We determined the height of these. Spoke to the homeowner. He wants this one up about 16 inches. And then we'll bring that one up about 14 inches. So we got Mikey cut and threaded to fill in the vent riser. You need some more room there, Mike? I dig it out for you?
No, I'm good.
All right.
Just perfect.
Cool.
Amen.
All right, Mike did some final touch-ups. Painted the legs. Corey put marine caulk on that. Looks great. Lines are up. Over. Craig's finishing the last of it right here. And he's gonna flare in. Oh, he flared already. It'll go up over. It's tucked in behind that pipe. I don't think he's got this tied in yet. But then that'll be it. No. So then he'll come over and just got one flare on that and fasten that properly. We're still waiting on the inspector. So we're killing it. It's about 20 to 11. So Corey has marine caulked that. Good job, brother. He's marine caulked that. So now we'll paint it and then we'll backfill this little area. Okay, Corey finished that up very nicely. Okay, Craig is finishing up, putting the gutter back. This all came out pretty nice. I don't know if you can see with the shade, but as always, folks, happy customer, and that's another fine job by Tank Masters Environmental. We'll catch you tomorrow.